Hi my dear friends, today we are going to do another experiment. These are the things we need. We need vinegar, baking soda, balloon, water bottle and food coloring. First, fill up your bottle with vinegar and then take a balloon and put baking soda inside. Next, take your food coloring and put it inside your bottle. Now, we need to take our balloon and put it onto Now we've already covered the bottle with the balloon. We use 3 spoons of baking soda inside the balloon. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Now we have to cover the side part. Make sure it does not come out weak. Now we will put the balloon up and the baking soda will fall inside the vinegar and then it will be the fun part. 1, 2, 3.
Do you guys know why did this happen? This is because when the baking soda is mixed with vinegar, this happened. And it also creates carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is a gas, so it has nowhere to go but to the top of the balloon. This is why the balloon expands.
Wow.
Bye. I hope you like, subscribe and share this video.